In this topic, we will learn about grammar of comparative adjectives. But before we talk further about this, let me ask you first, what is adjective? And for what purpose do you commonly use adjective? Adjective can be described as a word that clarifies a noun. Commonly, adjectives are used to describe nouns by giving some information about an object's size, shape, age, color, origin, or material. So, simply, we can say that we use adjectives to describe things. For example, here, I have a sentence. The orange ball is big. Big is an adjective that is used to describe an object of ball. Here, specifically, we will talk about comparative adjective. We use comparative adjectives when we want to compare two things. For example, here, the orange ball is bigger than the blue ball. For the comparative adjectives, in general, there are 4 types of adjectives that will change its syntax or its form when we want to use them as comparative adjectives. First is one-syllable adjectives. Here, we only need to add er at the end of adjective. For example, here, one-syllable adjective, big, it will become bigger. Small, it will become smaller. Hot, hotter, etc. Please pay attention here. If we have the adjective that composed by consonant, vowel, and consonant again, its new form will become like this, where we need to add double consonant at the end of its adjective. For example, here we have big, it will become bigger. Do you see double G here? The next one is hot. Consonant, vowel, consonant, it will become hotter. But the new form will just follow a common structure here. For example, smaller, you only need to add er at the end of the adjective. Small, smaller. Cold, colder. The second type is for two-syllable adjectives that end in y. The example is easy or happy. So this is two-syllable, but the adjective have y at the end. So the new form will become easier. Here we need to remove y and add ier at the end. The third type is two or more syllable adjectives. For example, here, modern, beautiful. So the new form will become modern, more modern. Simply, you only need to put more before the adjective. The last one is irregular adjective. For the irregular adjective, it has special form. For example, here we have good. It will become better for the comparative adjective. The second one is bad. It will become worse. And the next one is the structure of comparative adjectives. So we have the following structure here when we want to use comparative adjectives. Noun, modal be, comparative, then, and noun. Example of modal be is like are, is, was, and were. Okay, let me give you the picture to clarify my explanation. So here we have the orange ball is bigger than the blue ball. The orange ball is noun. Is model B. Bigger is comparative. Than, and the blue ball is the second noun. Another example here, the black shoes are more expensive than the red shoes. I hope you can follow this lesson. Thank you.